Hey, what's up guys? Dave Ferreira here from Fortified Realty Group and welcome to beautiful Fall River, Massachusetts. All right, awesome flyovers on this property, 118 Maple Street, literally right down the street from the train. All right, now everybody's been hearing, what is this train thing, right? The train, everyone's got to come to Fall River, right? Every property that I sell, multifamilies, it's investors from out of town, Boston, Brockton, Springfield, Worcester, right? Probably 80% of the buyers are from out of town. So what's the hype about, right? What does it all mean? And that's what we're gonna do here today. We're gonna use this property as a case study to demonstrate to you what I think the upside is in the city and what the factors are that are impacting it now, okay? So we have this 3-family. It's literally, you can throw a rock and hit the train station if you got a good arm, all right? And you can see in the flyovers, I mean, you're right by the Cove, you're right by the water, the Battleship, all these iconic Fall River things, and the train is gonna be right down the street. So what does that mean though, right? So, I think, obviously we can't predict the future, right? If we could, we'd all be gazillionaires. So, but we can look at other areas and kind of see what that impact is. What would this same exact house be worth in another city that has a train and an abundance of 3 families from which to pick from? And the first city that comes to mind is Brockton, right? So we're gonna look at some properties in Brockton here today, and I'll show you kind of what I think this house would be worth in Brockton. Now, what does that mean for us? In about 3 years when the train comes, I think that's a good barometer of what we can expect, right? There's some growth potential here, all right? So you buy this property, it's because you're betting on the impact of the train and you believe in the upside that it offers, right? To an investor, okay? So there's a lot of meat left on the bone here, all right? We won it at the auction. We want to move on from it because we have some other opportunities, all right? But let me show you what I think it is and what it means. So check this out. All right, guys, so my thesis on this, all right, is let's look at another city similar to Fall River with a train station with an adequate supply of 3-family properties that we could compare the value to, right? So what comes to mind? Well, Brockton, okay? Brockton's a big city, obviously a little bit closer to Boston, but, trains right here downtown, all right? So what do 3 families in Brockton in close vicinity to the train station sell for? All right, so let's take a look at that. And we'll see, what's the potential of this property in a couple of years. So let's grab all these listings here and view them, all right? So here we go. 47 Allen, $575,000, all right? That's a 3-family in Brockton, close to the train, all right? Listed for $559, sold for $575, okay? Here's another one, guys. 242 Court Street, sold for $585, 17 days, near the train, all right? All these properties are on that map that I just showed you, all right? Here's another one. 26 Glenwood Square, $590, sold in 10 days, okay? And look at those rents, all right? $1,800, they're not really showing rents on this one. Let's find some that have rents, just for, comparison's sake. All right, 2-bedroom, they're showing $1,250. 3-bedroom, they're showing $1,497. 4-bedroom, they're showing $1,650. All right, that's Brockton rents. Fall River rents are not that far behind, guys. $595 this house sold for, all right? Another small, weird looking 3-family, but it's a 3-family nonetheless. Here's another one, 608, all right? 121 Lawrence Street, right near the train, the T station. So what is the potential upside on this property? I mean, you can see it here. This is a good barometer of what we think this property will be. Granted, we're further from Boston and Brockton, but the proximity, the convenience will be the same. You're right by the train, guys. And this is just what I pulled in the vicinity of the train. 37 Allen, 635, right? What else we got here? 114 Winthrop, 637. All right, they're showing 3 bedrooms at 2,000. That's probably on the high end of the range in Brockton. I've seen them in other areas of Brockton, nicer areas, 1,800. Three bedroom in Fall River right now, we're hitting 12 to 1,400. So we're getting there. When the train hits, it opens up the whole market. Fall River just hit the market, $390,000 on Hamlet Street. All right. Flipping ahead. Does just hit the market, okay, right here, 1150 North Main, 3 units, not far from ours, okay? A little bit bigger, but it's on a busy corner, right? It says it has some parking, probably the same distance to the train as ours, 450,000, all right? Just hit MLS like yesterday, all right? Here's another one, 39 Chesworth, 499 list price, has a buyer, contingent inspection, okay? Market rents in there, look at that, 1650, 1250. All right, that's the rents that they're showing as market rents. I don't think it's actually rented. Here's another one, guys. 329 Ferry, 599.9. This one is 3-family with 5-stall garages, right? plus a commercial garage. It's like a package deal. But anyways, they're claiming this one is priced at this point close proximity to the commuter rail. All right. Next one, 215 Ridge. Here's another one, 499.9 under agreement. You know, you can't make this stuff up, guys. Fall River is crazy right now. All right, here's another one, 201 Whipple. All right, on the market, 399. All right, this one's a mess, but whatever. Not a mess, but it's a cool spot. But it's not really. It's not even anywhere near where this one is. This is downtown near the hospital. Same thing with those 499s. This is High Street, 595. I don't know. This is a Victorian. This is kind of a different story. But anyways, they're asking 595 for a three family. Here's another one, guys. 270 Stetson, 3 units, sold for 390. Okay, right here, 3 family, 4 beds on first and third floor, 3 good sized bedrooms. All right, you know, just a regular 3 family in a regular neighborhood. All right, it's got a garage with some parking. All right, here's another one, guys. Bank Street remodeled. This is downtown. 3 family. I don't even know what this picture is supposed to be, but it's remodeled, 395. All right, sold off market. Another one, 57 Hanover, listed for 390, sold for 410, 22 days. And this was in December that it sold. October was on the market. All right, 1150, 1050 rents, 1100. A little bit on the low side for the rents, and it's reflected in the sale price. This one right around the corner, 396 Durfee, 429.9, no parking, busy street. Literally, you can throw a rock and hit Maple. All right, sold in 2 days, 430. All right, full price, January 31st. It just closed, like not even a month ago. All right, guys, that's the Fall River comp.